Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to check all purchases on PS5. To check all purchases on PS5 you have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, go ahead and open up your PS5 device, and next thing what you want to do is click on the search box, click on the gear icon, and when you click on the gear icon you'll be taken to the settings page. So from the settings page you want to go to account, user and account settings. As you do that you have to go to the subscription, and next thing what you want to do is go to payment method. As you go to payment method you could find your payment method or that your card and all that information, and likewise when you go to transaction history you could find out the transaction of the particular date. So here you could go ahead and manually type in your date for which you want to view it and click the continue button. Next thing, you could then see see this sort of page. So here you could also go ahead and see your purchase settings or make changes with that as well. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.